Hi, I'm sorry, just because from the front panel of the new multi-viewer, actually we cannot do the save and recall. But from the IR remote control, this is the new version. So with this new IR remote control, basically we just use the save button and recall button here. So basically right now you can see right now we have the, let's just do a quote view. Okay, so now we have a quote view. I'm sorry, just I didn't have the input 4. So we just save this one as the center 1. So I need to hit the save button, input 1, that's it. Then we already finished the saving. So we switch to a different working modes. So this one is actually a different one. So just save as the input 2. Okay, so now we just have a different mode. So basically we can save 4 presets. And this one will just save as the presets 3. Save 3. Okay, so now we're going to record the preset 1. Hit the record button, and then 1, input 1, or back to the core view, and input 2, preset 2, and record 3. Okay, so this is how we use the presets save and record button on this IR remote control. And this is the old IR remote control. Basically, it's actually the same. This one is the C button and the record button. And with this IR remote control, basically we are only able to save 4 presets. But if you need to have like more than 4 presets, and we will need to use the R2C2 control to send the commands from the backside, the R2C2 port here. So we need to send the commands for the recall and save. Okay, thank you.